Honor 400 Lite, a feature-packed mid-range smartphone. The Honor 400 Lite is a powerful mid-range smartphone that offers an impressive combination of performance, camera capabilities, and battery life. With a sleek design, a vibrant AMOLED display, and a high-end MediaTek chipset, this phone is designed to deliver a smooth and premium user experience. Let's dive into the details. Key specifications at a glance. RAM and storage: 8GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage. Processor: MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra, 6nm. Rear camera: 108MP, primary, plus 5MP, ultra-wide. Front camera: 16MP. Battery: 5230 mAh with 35 watts supercharging. Display: 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate. Operating system: Android V15 with Magic UI. Performance and hardware. The Honor 400 Lite is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 Ultra, a 6nm octa-core chipset that balances power efficiency and performance. It features CPU: 2.5 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55. GPU: IMG BXM8 256. RAM: 8 GB for smooth multitasking. Storage: 256 GB, non-expandable. This setup ensures seamless performance for gaming, streaming, and everyday tasks. Stunning AMOLED display. The phone boasts a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling. 3500 nits peak brightness, great for outdoor visibility. 394 ppi pixel density for sharp visuals. Punch hole design with a 93.7% screen-to-body ratio. Whether you're watching videos or gaming, the display delivers vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Camera capabilities. Rear camera setup. 108MP primary sensor, f/1.75, captures high-resolution photos with excellent detail. 5MP ultra-wide lens, f/2.2, expands your field of view for landscape shots. Features: 10x digital zoom, HDR mode, LED flash, 1080p video recording at 30 fps. Front camera: 16MP selfie camera, f/2.45, ideal for sharp selfies and video calls. Screen flash, enhances low-light selfies. Long-lasting battery and fast charging. The 5230 mAh battery ensures all-day usage, while 35 watts supercharging quickly tops up the phone, minimizing downtime. Design and build. Slim and lightweight, 7.29mm thickness, 171 grams weight. Durable, IP65 splash and dust resistance. Modern look, bezel-less punch hole display. Connectivity and extras. Dual SIM, Nano. Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3. USB Type-C audio and charging. On-screen fingerprint sensor. Other sensors: proximity, accelerometer, compass. Final verdict. The Honor 400 Lite is a well-rounded mid-range smartphone with a premium AMOLED display, strong performance, and a capable camera system. Its large battery and fast charging make it a reliable choice for power users. Who should buy it? Users looking for a high refresh rate AMOLED display. Photography enthusiasts who want a high-resolution main camera. Those needing long battery life with fast charging. Would you consider the Honor 400 Lite as your next smartphone? Let us know in the comments.